In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from DasherDirect to Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to properly transfer money from your DasherDirect account to Cash App is first, within the DasherDirect app, go to the app and make sure you acquire your account number and routing number. This is the information necessary to properly link your DasherDirect bank account to Cash App and receive the funds as fast as possible. So after you acquire that information or those credentials for your DasherDirect card, go back to Cash App and click on the bottom left corner to access your banking page. Within your banking page, you will have to link two things. The most important one is to link the bank account using the account number and routing number that you got from DoorDash. So, include the credentials and properly add the bank. You can also select it from the list if it appears for you. Alternatively, just manually include the information I taught you how to get. After you link your bank, you might be prompted or it might be necessary for you to also add the credit card or debit card number. So, if you need to, go ahead and add it now. Alternatively, just follow the steps presented to you on screen to add any amount of funds as long as you entered the valid and legitimate information from DasherDirect. You will be able to receive your money on your Cash App account directly from your DasherDirect bank account. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from DasherDirect to Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.